There she is. That is the bloody barbecue for the night. I just found a couple of bits of bark off an old tree. So I've just used bark on each side of the barbie. So now we've got a windproof, and you can just see that smoke now is just penetrating straight up through that wood. Oh man, this water is beautiful. After a day of sweating my ass out, it is so good to be in the water. Let's see what we can't catch. That is what we're dealing with. I can't remember what they're called, but it's actually quite a delicious fish. It's some form of a snapper. So I've just got that hanging off the spear gun in the tree. We need to clean it, gut it, fillet it, and then we're gonna bang him down here on our little fire. I've just chucked a couple of sticks on there, but that is perfect.
See you next video.